ATP in your body. Yeah, this is crucial. So ATP is crucial to exist, to move, to think, and if it's going down, the level drops, your phosphocreatine donates phosphate groups in order to increase ATP in the body. So already used creatine, which you store already in your body, is used to create ATP as well. Thanks to that mechanism, the cell can continue working. This is why creatine supports physical performance. But not only physical performance. Listen, your muscles need ATP. Yeah, we all know that. But your brain, my brain, uses it as well. Our nervous system, in order to regulate itself, requires a large amount of energy. Your concentration, your memory, your ability to learn, your emotional regulation, your recovery, yeah? All of that costs energy. Look at you today. Besides of 10 years ago, all of the stress, work, study, relationships, above of that you have a telephone, scrolling, WhatsApp, Viber, all the TikTok and Instagram and Facebook channels constantly stimulate you. Positive news, negative news, positive news, negative. You switch all the time. You are constantly bombarded with information which you do not even understand or even require, but they're shooted at you, and you need to constantly regulate your nervous system. This is what I'm writing here in this book about how to regulate the nervous system when it's bombarded constantly with news information which you don't even require. Read this book. Coming back to creatine, everything which you do to regulate yourself costs energy, ATP. We all human beings today often live in a state of energy deficit. Besides of work, besides of study, besides of learning, besides of relationship, above of that we have these phones, these screens. And the energy deficit is not because we consume not enough calories. It's not the case. But because we do not recover enough. We get too little sleep, we have chronic stress, too many stimuli, we have mental overload, we have intensive intellectual work and constantly switching attention, which I'm referring to telephones, to screens. All the time switching attention. Everything is written here. Everything is written here, how to create habits to regulate the nervous system while being in this constant bombarding, switching attention, stimuli world. All of these things increase the body's demand of energy. We all need energy. So listen, this is why more and more research suggests that creatine does not only affect the physical body, the physical muscle body tissue, it may also support the brain and the nervous system.